Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials: sufficient device storage and cloud space, plus a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Tap Backup to create an immediate copy. This saves messages and media to your linked Google Drive or iCloud. Once done, make sure to note which account is connected, because backups restore only to that cloud account. This step initiates your first actionable backup, so you have a current snapshot before continuing. Now, configure how backups run so they match your needs. Pick a frequency. Daily is common for continuous protection. Toggle include videos only if you want media preserved. Be aware this increases size and upload time. Verify the cloud account shown is the one you intend to use, and enable Wi-Fi only to avoid mobile data charges. Once configured, tap Backup and watch the progress. If it stalls, pause and retry after checking connection and available cloud quota. To restore, reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and follow the on-screen prompt to restore from the detected cloud backup. This recreates chats and media according to what was saved. If the restore fails, first confirm you're signed into the same Google or iCloud account and that there's enough device space, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if specific media are missing, check WhatsApp's media folder or redownload from chat export. Sometimes large files need a separate manual fetch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.